Hello everyone. Now, I've got a little treat for you today. As you may know, and as you've probably been learning about, it's Chinese New Year soon. Now, I can't speak any Chinese, but I can speak a bit of Japanese. Now, the Japanese, they don't celebrate Chinese New Year, but I thought it'd still be nice for us to learn a bit of Japanese. So, are you ready to learn some Japanese? Because I am ready as well. The first thing we are going to do in our Japanese lesson is give each other a greeting. So I am going to say to you, Ohayo minasan, and that means hello class, or hello to everyone. And you can say back to your teacher, Ohayo sensei. Give that a try. You ready? Ohayo sensei. Your turn. Very good. You may have also heard the word konnichiwa. Konnichiwa also means hello, but we are going to say Ohayo. So we'll try one more time. I'm going to say Ohayo minasan, and you say Ohayo sensei. Very good. Now, the main thing we are going to be learning today in our Japanese lesson is all about counting Japanese numbers, because Japanese numbers are quite fun to count. I'm going to teach them to you. I was going to show them to you, but look, when they come up backwards. So I'll show you those properly afterwards, and I'll put some Japanese symbols and numbers on the screen so you know which number I'm talking about, and I'll show you these at the end. We are going to learn to count in Japanese, and it's quite fun. Are you ready? Here we go. So, the first number in Japanese, the number 1, is ichi. And this is how I remember. I always pretend to scratch like this. Ichi. Can you have a go? Ichi. Ichi means 1. Ichi. Our number 2 is ni. Can you say that? Ni. And how I remember that is I always point to my knee. So you need to get your knee. Point your knee so you can remember 1, 2 like this. Ichi, ni. Ichi, ni. Very good. Now, I quite like this next one. Our number 3. So we've had ichi, ni. Next we have san. Can you say that? San. Very good. And the way that I remember how to say san is I pretend that it's a little bit like sun. So I say san. Can you do that? San. Very good. So we've got ichi, ni, san. Excellent. So we've counted 1, 2, and 3. Ichi, ni, san. Our next number, number 4, is shi. So we say shi. So the best way to do this is to, hopefully you've got someone in your house who's a girl. It could be your mum or your sister, and we point to a girl and we say she. So I'm going to pretend there's a girl over here. I'm going to say she. Are you ready? She. So we've got, what have we got so far? See if you can remember. We've got ichi, ni, san, shi. Our next one, we've pointed for she. Number 5, you might know this word because it sounds like one of our tricky words. Number 5 in Japanese is go. So it sounds a little bit like go. It's like this. Go. Can you do that? Your turn. Go. Very good. You're sounding very Japanese already. So we've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can we do it together? Let's practice. Are you ready? Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Very good. You're Japanese experts. Are you sure you haven't done this before? Okay. We are going to go from number 6. Because I've had to start again because my silly dog was having a very good bark in the background. So we've had to start from number 6 again. Okay, so we've done numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Number 6 is roku. Can you say that? Have a try. Roku. Roku. Amazing. And the way I like to remember that is to have a little dance, pretend that I am rocking. Can you do that? Roku. Let's see your dance, your turn. Hey, that's very good. One more time. Roku. Very nice. So we've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number 7 is, it's on here, Nana. Number 7 is Nana. Can you try that? Nana. Very good. Nana. And the way that I remember Nana is to pretend that I am being a nan. A granny like this. Nana. Can you do that? Nana. Pretend you've got a walking stick. Nana. Very nice. You were very good at that impression. Have you done that one before? I think you might have done. Alright. So, we've got, let's practice them. Ichi. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Roku. Nana. Our next one is number 8. Number 8 sounds like this in Japanese. Hachi. Can you say that? Hachi. Hachi. And the way I like to remember this is pretend that I'm sneezing, but just pretend. Don't do it for real. Like this. Put your hands in your on your mouth like this. Hachi. One more time. Hachi. Very good. And that's how we remember number 8. We are up to number 9 in Japanese. Number 9. Number 9 sounds like this. Q. Q. Good. One more time. Q. And it's really easy to remember this one because we just pretend that we are queuing up. So when you're in a line, when you line up for school, you're in a line. So you just have to stand up nice and straight in a queue. You can't really see me doing it very well here, but you have to stand nice and straight in a queue. I'll show you a picture of someone queuing on this as well so you know what I mean. Queue. So we've got Ichi, Ni, San, Shi, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Q. And we've got our last one, number 10. Number 10 is Ju. One more time. Ju. Very good. Ju. Ju is number 10, and we pretend in the mornings sometimes the grass is very, very wet, and we can call this dew. And to pretend there's some dew on the grass, we do this. Dew. You ready? Dew. One more time. Dew. Very good. So, I think you might be ready to try and practice all of our moves to remember counting to 10 in Japanese. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if you can remember. Ready? Ichi. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyu. Ju. That was amazing. One more time. You ready? Here we go. Ichi. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Roku. Nana. Hachi. Kyu. Ju. How did you get on? I think that was very, very good. I really enjoyed learning Japanese numbers to 10 with you. You can try and use these at home for a bit of counting, and also maybe when we're back at school we can do some more Japanese counting as well. How about that? I think that will be great. Well done. You're all superstar learners. I can't wait to see if you can learn those Japanese numbers. I'll see you very, very soon. Goodbye.